Hey there, this is Miss Hawk, and this tutorial is going to be about how to find images that you can use for upcoming projects, assignments, and activities that we have. So when you're looking for images, you want to make sure that they are copyright free and that you are allowed to use them. Because if you're using images that have a copyright, you could somehow get into trouble down the road. So we're going to look at 3 websites that allow you to search for images that you can use for your assignments at school. So the first thing we're going to use is Google. So I'm going to go to the Google page and I'm going to type in whatever type of image I'm looking for. So knowing me, we're going to do cats. I'm going to click enter and then I'm going to scroll over and click the images section. And after that, we're going to get a bunch of pictures from the Cats movies, which is not exactly what we want. So I'm going to delete that S and hopefully, there we go, we get some pictures of regular cats. So now I want to make sure that I am using images that are appropriate and they are copyright free. They are licensed to be used for reuse, modification, whatever I need. So I'm going to come over to Tools. I'm going to click Tools and you'll get this little sidebar that comes down. I'm going to come over and I'm going to click Usage Rights. And this is where it's going to be very important. So you have all of these different options on types of images that you can search for. So this first one is not filtered by a license. So these images could be licensed, they could have a copyright, they could be labeled for reuse, they're a mixture. I want to narrow that down. So I could pick either labeled for reuse with modification, so I can reuse the image and I can modify it if I want to. I can do some Photoshop, or I can do a labeled for reuse. So this is no modification, you can't tweak it, you're just using it exactly as it is. And I'm going to do a labeled for reuse because that just makes it easier for myself because I don't plan on doing any Photoshop. So I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to get all of these images that I am able to use. So you can click on it, look at it. If you don't like it, you can just keep scrolling. These are all images on Google that you can use of cats. Next, we're going to go to Pixaby and we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to type in cat and I'm going to get all of these different pictures of cats. Now, I want to make sure that they are free to use, which is really easy on Pixaby because everything is already credited or attributed, or it tells you exactly how you can use it on the side of that image. So I'm going to click this moon cat right here. And it's going to pop up to a page. And over here on the right hand side, it's going to say Pixaby license. And then it's going to say exactly how you can use this. So this photo is free for commercial use and no attribution is required. And we're going to talk about attribution in the second part of this video. So I can use this picture however I want. I can tweak it. It's free for commercial use, so I can put it out there and let a lot of people see it if I want to, and I don't have to credit that person. Pretty easy. Pixaby is one of my favorite ones to use. So then we're going to go to my last favorite one, which is Flickr. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to type in cat. And then you'll get all these pictures of cats. And very similar to Google, you're going to come up over to the left and you're going to click this Any License bar. And then you have a lot of options. So you have all the Creative Commons licenses. You can do commercial use, modification, commercial use and modifications allowed, and some other ones that we're not going to quite talk about yet. So I'm going to go with all Creative Commons. And then you can see you get lots of options. Some are professional, some are taken by actual, just regular, everyday photo people. So I'm going to click this first one. And then you can't really tell if you're allowed to use it or what type of license it is. So you're going to scroll down. And over here on the right, you'll see some pictures and you'll see that some rights are reserved. So you'll click on that and it's going to lead you to a website that tells you exactly how you're allowed to use it, and we will talk about that in the next video. So I really like using Google Images, Pixaby, and Flickr because I think they are the 3 easiest photo generators when you are looking for photos that you can use for your projects without having to worry about copyright, as long as you are making those specifications when you are searching for those photos.